low. You don't need to yell. Hey, plants are very sensitive to human emotions. That was my thesis, remember?
How could I forget?
Where's your exhibit? You always have to be so different. Mom's gonna love that. Maybe you won't win this year.
Maybe this year no one will win.
Who moved my telescope? This was aligned exactly at Canopus, the F-type supergiant.
No.
Mom!
And it was misspelled, by the way. Also, one of your plants were missing a ring.
How dare you? It's okay, I'm gonna win anyway.
Why are you?
You didn't.
I came because I was invited.
Yeah, you're invited by birth.
Welcome, ladies, to the Phoebe, Sarah, Hertha, Mark's half-birthday holiday science fair spectacular.
Seriously, Mom, like every time?
In the words of the great Marie Curie, have no fear of perfection. You'll never reach it, as some of you know. Now, who would like to be the first to vie for this year's Marksy?
Foam floats. But did you know that foam is the future? The power of foam is in its taste. Bacon foam, cherry foam, eggplant. I've taken a highly pressurized process similar to freeze drying and then put it through zero gravity and created a highly nutritious, non-perishable, and packageable food product. The future is foam. Our future is food foam. That's good. I'm also gonna use it as a contraceptive.
How?
I don't know, but I'm gonna try.
You clearly weren't paying attention during Mom's sex talk.
Now, ladies, I cannot stress this enough. It only takes one. Now, this is to scale, but it is not an actual sized vagina. When you ladies get older, you will still have tiny, perky little vaginas if you take care of them.
Phoebe only has a box.
Box of broken dreams.
Ladies! Now, it is true that Phoebe did not finish her PhD or the book I gave her about Florence Bascom, the first woman admitted geologist.
Okay, you know what? Nobody cares about geology, Mom. Okay? I mean, how could they have forgotten the Quaternary period? It was only with the help of the paleontologists that they were even able to map the orbital cycles.
Oh my god, here we go again with the paleontology. Like a substitute teacher knows anything about that.
Says the gardener.
I know more about orbital cycles than any of you.
Laura Dern was a botanist and she figured out how those triceratops were getting sick.
Okay, anyway, this right here, it's a game changer. Okay, I don't need your pseudoscience that's based in political changes and the social media trends. Oh no, global warming has to be called climate change. Everything's melting.
It is melting.
Do you know what I do every day? I just show up. Somebody gives me a list of names, and sometimes I don't even check to see if all the students are there. I just pop in a movie that talks about how nature will find a way even in the face of controlled science.
Jurassic Park.
This year, this will blow you away. You ever hear of Higgs boson or the God particle? Sometimes one big bang can create a whole universe, and sometimes it can take it all away.
Like they took Pluto away.
Oh my God, get over it.
I mean, how can you be a planet and then just not?
I don't think there's anything in your box.
Oh yeah? Well, I used to be pretty good at chemistry, so I think I still remember how to make things explode.
Pluto is no longer a planet, and all you care about is Phoebe's box of lies.
Hey, don't you dare! Do not open that box!
Ladies!
No! Ladies! I believe you! You go back here! Not open the
Close the door behind you!
Now you have to pay attention to me. I won't be treated like Pluto. You can't relegate me to that food. Stop yelling. The plants are gonna wilt. Oh, shut up about your food and go. What is an order to the universe? You can't disrupt evolution. Screw evolution. It's intelligent design. No. No. Too late. It's too late.
Are you serious? Oh my god. Suckers.
Nature always finds a way. This has been the best Phoebe Sarah Hertha Marks half-birthday holiday science fair spectacular ever.
I'm gonna win next year.
First of all, the sperm has to get to the vagina. And I think you will notice here that certain messy Marys with their pubic hair all akimbo will not succeed in becoming impregnated because that sperm, it will just get tangled in all of this messy, I would stress, clean shaven. Mr. Sperm, an evil necessity, I must say. If there was a way for us to do this without the sperm at all, life would be a lot easier because here's the secret. People talk about lubrication. There is no such thing. The vagina is a dry and arid, but it almost feels like this, and it sounds. When you are done, on your back, knees up. Keep those vagina